Hello and welcome back to my channel, Olivia Made. I just recently got an Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine and I am loving it. So here I am already using it. I bought it within the week and I'm already creating with it. So I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So here when you turn on the machine, you just touch the screen. It's going to tell you that the carriage is going to move. Alright, and then the name I'm going to be typing, I'm going to hit these letters. I chose this one, this font right here. And then the name of the girl is Holly. Let's use these arrow buttons to get to the lowercase o, L. We'll go over one and hit Y. We'll set it. And now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees because of the way I laid the material on the hoop. So here I'm going to hit rotate 90 degrees. And I've already measured it. And so let's go here. I'm going to move it. And see this grid here? The bottom of the letters are going to go 3 squares up to the left. So let's just move it from the center. This is the center, the thick bold line. All right, 1, 2. So right here it's flashing. If you saw that flashing, that's meaning that I cannot use the 4x4, nor can I use the little oval, which is like, I believe, a 3x3. So those are not, I'm not able to use those. I have to use the 5x7, which is right here. Okay, that's why there's a red and a circle on these two. That means you cannot use those hoops. So 1, 2, 3 squares, so that's about right. Okay, hit OK. And all right, I have readjusted. Here's my hoop. Here's the bag. I've clipped this area of the bag to stay away so it doesn't get stitched in here. So I'm going to lay this in here. I'm going to clamp it down. Okay. That's all on there. Now let's go back to the screen here. I am going to edit end. And then I have the option here of checking the perimeter of where it's going to be embroidered. So let's press that. And then here I'm going to press this. And then you'll see what's going to happen. All right, so that basically is exactly where it's going to embroider the name. So let's get started. All right, so I already checked it. Here, let's hit OK, then I'm done. We're going to start embroidering. All right, let me go back one. I wanted to show you something. On the screen here, if you hit this in the corner, it's the hoop with like some colored zigzag. You hit that, it'll show you exactly the word. That's pretty awesome. So let's exit. We're good. If you look on the machine, it shows red, and the reason why is because I have not lowered the foot in the back here. Here I've done that. And now I'm going to hit embroidery. And you saw that turned green. So I'm going to hold this just to make sure that it doesn't get stuck in there. I've made sure that all the material is out of the way. And the straps, I'm going to slightly hold this, and then I would just press start. I'll pause it now and then I'll show you when it's almost done. If you look here on the screen, the green line, the green cross, it's showing you what it's stitching. My whole table's moving. It's also showing you here how many, the stitch count is 1,966 and it's on 709 stitches at the moment. I have roughly about 2 minutes left. Total time to stitch the word holly is 4 minutes. And I'm using one color thread right here. Right now it's doing the O. So it just finished the L. It's going to outline the Y. And then it'll start stitching on it. Just cut the thread and it's telling me that it's finished embroidering. So let's remove the hoop. So on the back here is a lever to lift up the foot, and then here is the tab here. You need to pull this back and then lift up the back, and it easily comes out, and you carefully remove the hoop. All right, let's go ahead and unscrew the hoop here. And here we have it. So all I need to do now is the jump stitches. I just need to cut those off. So I'll just lift up the stitch with the needle. And get my scissors in there and cut. And that's about it. I made 8 bags total for my future daughter-in-law's bridesmaids, and I am so looking forward to them enjoying them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions of anything, I can help you out. And again, have a great day.